When logged in, click Customers. Type in the customer's name and click Search. Find their record and click Select Customer. On the dashboard, click the Services button on the left, and then click Edit Service Details. Click More Options, and then click Call Recording Settings. This is where you can specify how you want calls recorded. Type in how many months of call recording you want to store. In the second box, type in how many days you would like the default search to be. If the customer wants internal calls recorded, make sure this option is ticked. Specific extensions can be excluded from call recording by ticking the box next to the extension number. Lastly, select how you want to pay for call recordings. For smaller customers, this is usually the per user per month option. Click Save. Call recording is now activated. To view them, click on My Dashboard. Then select Call Recordings. This is where you can access call recordings.